Guys, what's going on? Happy that you guys are back to the channel again. Let me show you what we're going to be working on today finally, though I'm not sure if it's I'm just gonna guess 2010 Dodge Charger with the 392 swap. Again, we're gonna do the wide body conversion with the Hellcat bumper. So basically today the plan before it gets dark, because again we're having really bad days here in Indy, is try to see if I can bolt everything on. That way it's not just there. Like I said, we got the bumper right there. Literally don't want to get damaged, so I put in some wood. But yeah, let's see if we can put the rear bumper on, front bumper and fenders before it gets dark. Perfect time to remove the bumper, man. Look at this thing, all beat up and everything. So let's get this bumper out of here. Guys, so they never make these things easy, man. Unfortunately, sometimes they have like an engrave right here where you cut, so this can go in there, and it looks like both sides don't have it, and you have the same issue where it starts cracking. What a buzz, man. So it's getting dark. You guys can't tell, but it's definitely getting dark. So tomorrow we're gonna see, hopefully if it doesn't rain, I'm gonna cut that out so I can slide in and reinforce this fiberglass, because man, that is pretty light. Same thing with the other side, man. Same thing. Literally no engraving, nothing, so I know where to cut. Whatever. It is what it is, man. But again, anytime you work with fiberglass or any type of molding, it's not a direct fit. You have to, you know, play with it, cut it, sand it, bondle it, all that good stuff. So, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. I thought I was gonna have enough time, but I guess the time got to me. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, so this is the next day. Well, not even next day, but this is like a week, just because of New Year's, Christmas, man. I haven't had time to completely come here at all and work on it. But like I said, we're gonna start on work on it. It's New Year's, guys. Happy New Year's. 1st of January, man. So let's see how this thing, let's see how long it takes me to build it. But like I said, we got the outline for where it's gonna slide in, because again, these fiberglass, man, they do not come with none of this stuff. It's everything you have to measure. It has to be on point. If not, it's not gonna line up and it's not gonna slide in. So let me put it on, hopefully slide in. If not, I'm gonna have to keep cutting. All right, guys, more bad news. So unfortunately, I examined this part. I knew it was weird, because when I was taking the bolt out, I knew it was like kind of crooked, I guess, the bolt, and I found out the problem. So basically the car was hit, and I think this part here was pushed in, and now there's like this plastic rubber boot that goes in the bottom that's supposed to slide in here, which kind of looks like this. That little part right there, it's not there no more. So I'm gonna have to talk to customers, see what we're gonna do about it. But you can even tell us probably here. So I have to see how much that's even gonna cost, because you need that so you can, like, you know, slide in there perfect. And then also the type of work is gonna need to even push this out. So I gotta see what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I've been playing with it for like maybe 20 minutes, and yeah, there's definitely some kind of modification that has to be done here because of that bracket. I do not have the tools to pull that metal. I'd probably take it to buy shop. If not, I have to find some kind of hardware for it to slide in and bolt to that. But as we speak right now, like I said, it is an ass. But man, like I said, I guess we'll continue tomorrow and see where we get to. But right now, that's where she's at, man. Like right now, it's just bolting it on there. Man, if it didn't have the other part, we wouldn't be good. But now it's gonna take me another couple hours, and like I said, time is money, man. So I have to see what he wants to do with this part right here. But if not, I'll see you guys next, because it's getting late, man. Peace. Guys, after trying to resolve this bolt as well, because man, even that bolt right there, like I said, I had to cut some of the framing because it got look, you can tell it got bent. I can tell that this here was bent, because look at this. You can see how this is straight, and then right here it goes up. It's not the fiberglass, it's the metal. I don't know if you guys can tell, there's a gap, so it's just higher. And I think it's because that reason. So technically what would have to happen is I would have to just fill this in with metal. I I'm not sure if the customer's gonna want to pay for that, but I'll talk to him, see what he wants to do. But besides that, this thing is bolted on. The only thing I have to do is just the ones right here, but the main ones is right here, and the one that goes right here. Same thing with the other side. Right there, boom. She is good to go. Not gonna try to shut because this thing's heavy. There we go. But overall, there she is, man. So next step is just really just to reinforce this bumper, just because like I said, you really have cracking right here going on. We have to fill this gap. Same thing here. This is a little bit more better, but just have to fill that out and then have to see what the customer wants to do about that metal right there. But right now I just want to bolt it on, see where do I need to tackle the gaps and all that nonsense. But besides that, she is definitely coming along. So you gotta put this, there you go, gotta put that back. But hey guys, let me see if I can do the fenders and see how it goes. But bumper right now, we're good to go. Let's check that out. This thing's gonna look so clean once it's done, man. With the custom fenders, woo, you cannot go wrong with that. With the wide body, and then we go here, and we got the Hellcat rear bumper as well. Where me and my buddy were talking about redesign this thing, make it much more aggressive, because everybody has a style, but I'm like, why don't we step it up and make it better, you know? But we'll talk about that another day. But sorry if I'm exhausted, man, just tired. Next thing is to put on the bumper, and then probably another day we'll probably tackle that side. Now keep in mind, I always tell customers is these things, when you order from me guys, they're primer. They're not ready. Depending the shop you go to, and this is very important, depending the shop that you go to, if they tell you it needs sanding, if it tells you they need to re-primer or whatever, do what the body shop says, or go someone that you trust. Because this is my thing, guys, these things are not ready. Yes, they bolt on, but if they recommend that it needs some sand, and if they see little imperfections, let them fix it. For example, when I get close, just little stuff, like for example right here, you see that tiny little bit right there, I'm gonna sand that, you know. But again, if I forget, it's just something I tell customers, hey, it just needs a little bit of sand, a little bit of primer, you know, whatever body shop recommends, go for it. It's not gonna, that right there is not in the world. But I always tell, it's very important to make sure it fits. That's the most important part. Everything else, they can sand it. Just the reason why is because different shops would require for them to just completely sand it, that way the paint adheres to. Maybe the primer that I have is not the best, but that's why you always go off the shop that you get it painted. They know more about paint. I don't paint, guys. I just do the hard part and make it look nice. So just to let you guys know. So besides that, let me let's get the front bumper put on. Again, there she is. I've been leaving on the wood just because I don't want it to get damaged if it falls or something. But yeah, let's put this beast on and let's see how this thing looks like before it gets dark. Alright guys, it is late, but man, look at this thing, bro. This thing looks so nice. Just imagine with the wide body kit. I don't know the status of the bumper yet. Like I said, I have to put the other fender tomorrow, push everything and see if this is not gonna need any work. It shouldn't, because it looks like it's painted, so it came off a car, but we won't know until we put it on. So like I said, like that, I'm gonna leave it like this today, guys, and I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. But besides that, see you guys in the next one. Peace. All right guys, it is time to put her in the garage, just because I've been patient with this weather, and supposedly we're gonna have another blizzard. So I don't know if it's true, but we're gonna put her in the garage, work her in there. Like I said, we already finished with the charger tail lights. Like I said, I had my fun, I did my project. Now it's time to continue working customers' cars. There's definitely some improvements that have to be done. I still have to add the reverse light, and I think I'm gonna make the middle bar a little bit bigger. But man, look at this thing, man, in the sun. Damn, that is beautiful, man. I can't just stop looking at this thing. It just reminds me of Bugatti. That's basically my inspiration. I got the tail lights, they stick out. If you guys look, it's from a Bugatti. But yeah, man, these things are beautiful. Let me see if I can turn them on real quick. Here they are. See, look at that. Yeah, that is pretty bright in the day. Don't worry about the lights flickering. It's just the camera. Yeah, that's just the camera. But yeah, this thing looks so nice. Yeah, it's pretty bright in the day, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, let me yeah, that looks weird. Let me take her out, slide her in, and put her in there until, I don't know, maybe March or April, where we start cutting it up and start doing the wagon, man. All right, guys, so there you go. I took as much snow as I can. Like I said, I'm trying to protect the hood as much as I can, because customer did say that it will leak water inside, so I put all these covers in it to prevent getting the, you know, cables and the intake. So definitely helped. But yeah, guys, right now I'm just letting it sit in the sun. That way it can defrost, get rid of all the snow. Like I said, I'm gonna install the next fender. Once that's done, then we're gonna see the bumper. The only thing I'm seeing right now, guys, nothing really crazy, honestly. I haven't really peeked at it, honestly, so we'll see. Like I said, let me continue taking most of this stuff out, and we'll see how it looks like once I'm done. All right, guys, what's going on? So let me show you what we have accomplished today. Again, I'm gonna call it a day because it's really cold. My hands starting to get really cold. But yeah, we got the rear bumper done. Like I said, it's bolted on. We just have to start fixing the, you know, imperfections, the gaps, the cracks. Like I said, these bumpers, man, Duraflex, I'm not a big fan of them, especially how they line up, but they definitely have a lot of potential, man, just because they're fiberglass. But besides that, let me show you the front. Like I said, there's the custom fenders. Again, wow, with the wide body in the front, it's gonna look nice. Once we go with the body line, it's gonna look sharp. I think the front end I'm gonna tackle at the very end, just because there's a lot of stuff that's missing. I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard, get a lot of stuff. Like I said, right now I can't even know that the bumper's set to go, because I need those brackets that lift up the hood. I need to make sure this thing lines up. I'm not sure if the customer's gonna want to fix those gaps. Like I said, I came off a car. Like I said, me personally, they're I guess it just depends. I would probably tackle it, but like I said, it's up to the customer if he wants to pay that. But besides that, look at that, guys. This thing's gonna look so good once it's done with the custom fenders, man. I can't wait. But yeah, once we're done with the front, we're gonna tackle the bottom side skirt. Like I said, add those wide body side skirts as well. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, this is definitely going to be one of my favorite ones, just because it has the front bumper I wanted. Honestly, when I was a kid, when I first got one of these, I always wanted that bumper. I was thinking of making it, but like I said, at that time I didn't know none of this, so it's definitely a dream for me to do this, man. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, the wide body is going to be very unique, because we're going to go off this body line, just make it look OEM. That's basically the goal. Make it look OEM, make it look sharp. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'll keep you guys updated, but right now I'm gonna call it a day, just because, man, it is cold. I'm gonna put it in the garage, get rid of all this stuff. Like I said, that's my second business, man. Renting what is it, chairs, tables, bowls, and all that good stuff. Like I said, those are the custom fenders we're doing. Like I said, those are very unique, man, just because, like I said, you have to have two fenders merged together, man. Like, this is no joke. This is a real wide body fender, man. So it's gonna be nice once it's done. But overall, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.